to manage your students in Wand. In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to manage your students in Wand. As a teacher, you can easily add all your students to your account using school groups. To add a school group, just press on the Groups page. Then the Create Group button and select Import School Group tab. This is where you can find all school groups created by your Wand School admin. Select the ones you want to import and press Add. Now all the selected groups are in your private groups. You can always create your own groups. To do this, click on the Create Group button. Fill in with the group name. And then press the OK button and the group page is opened. To add students, press the Add button and fill in student first name, surname, and student email or username. You can add more students. And you can always use the autofill option to automatically fill in student details. Alternatively, you can use a CSV or XLS file to import all students from a group at once, but it will need to follow this format: first name, surname, and username. At the end, you just need to press the Save Group button, and your new group is now created. If you have any questions, write us at support@Wand.education or use our help page. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts.